안녕하세요. Today, our cooking will be Gaji-namul. Gaji-namul. Eggplant. Gaji is eggplant in Korean. 안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Today, we are going to start my dish in honor of my black belt, Gaji, Gaji-namul. Welcome to Tete's kitchen. In honor of my black belt years, back then, when I got my black belt, I learned a lot about cooking, also with my friends from Korean. My Korean teacher, my master, grandmaster, Kim Bon-young. So we love him, and I learned a lot about cooking and eating with them and everything after the trainings. So I decided today to do a side dish that calls Gaji-namul. Gaji is eggplant in Korean. So we're gonna start our recipe. For our ingredients, we will have 3 eggplants, Korean eggplants, purple. At the market that I got this is called Chinese eggplant. 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seed, 3 garlics, 3 garlics, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. For the vegetarian, we keep soy sauce. And if you don't mind, you are not vegetarian, you can use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. The fish sauce actually gives a very good flavor, real Korean flavor. And red chili pepper, 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon if you don't like that spicy. Pure sesame oil, 2 tablespoons. 3 green onions, cut up, we will cut. So now, come with me, make the rice to go over it. Okay, here we are. Come here. Look, I put 2 cups of water here to boil on the steamer. If you don't have this steamer in your house, you can also use a normal pan with 1 cup of water and let it boil, and then put this on, let it boil, and you can use as a steamer. Okay? You can find this very easy in any supermarket, any place. Now, I'm going to use, for this recipe, I'm going to use my steamer. So I had put in here 2 cups of water, and I'm waiting to boil. In the meanwhile, we are going to cut the eggplant. We can cut the eggplant in sizes like this because we are going to cut up later. So now we're gonna cut up in pieces. Okay, we are ready here. We are going to put on the steam now. Wait for about 5 minutes or so. And we're going to check when it's cooked, when it's steamed, okay? In the meantime, we're going to prepare our sauce. Oh, we need to cut 3 garlics. Ha! Aya! 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 Try to chop as much as you can, okay? About 2 tablespoons of green onions, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons, two tablespoons of soy sauce. The soy sauce, I like 2 tablespoons because I'm making vegetarian. If I use fish sauce, I would put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of the red pepper, flake pepper. But if you guys like more spicy, go ahead and use 1 more. Some roasted sesame seed. A little bit of salt. Just a little, because the soy is already salt. Now, let's stir. It's already smelling great. You know, I always like also to kind of crush the sesame seed because the flavor gets in there. So you can crush a little bit more like this. Okay, I think it's ready. You know how we know when it's ready? We get this stick here and stick in it. See? It went easily. Don't burn yourself. It is ready. We are going to take it out and let it cool down. Okay, Gaji-namul. Now, Gaji is cool down. So, we are going to break like this with our hands. That's why I want you guys to wait until it gets cold, because I need you to split with your hands now, okay? Like this. You just split in half like this. Okay guys, I am changing dishes because this one was too small. So we are putting a big one so I can use the rest, because we have enough sauce here for the recipe. So see, you're gonna continue cutting them in 2 or 3 pieces like this. Our Gaji is bathing in this sauce. It's even better the next day. because the taste will get into the gaji, our eggplant. It tastes much better, but also it's delicious now. Okay, are we ready to set our plate? Here we are. Rice, and we're gonna put over the steam rice. This is wonderful. Garnish with roasted sesame seed, and here we are, Gaji-namul. 감사합니다. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Nalani, thank you so much for sponsoring my show. Today we have cacao body butter. It's so good for your skin. It's really good for your skin, guys. Once you use it, it's gonna be so soft. Look at this. Ooh. Try it. They smell real cacao. It's just heavenly, wonderful. If you like my video, click it here. And if you wanna subscribe, click it here. And the next video is coming. Now, go take on the day. Wonderful people, wonderful family. Thank you. Gaji, cha cha cha. Gaji, Manu. Gaji-namul.